Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best mirrorless cameras. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 mirrorless cameras, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Canon EOS R5 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Although it's a little pricey, the full-frame Canon EOS R5 delivers excellent stabilization. You'll get up to 8 stops in combination with some Canon's lenses. Other impressive parameters include speedy and accurate autofocus and tracking, thanks to its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system. It's dust and water resistant to withstand the rigors of outdoor photography and comes equipped with dual memory card slots, including a CF Express. This is essentially the mirrorless version of Canon's stalwart 5D DSLR line. As a result, it can handle just about anything a pro photographer could need it to do in a relatively compact body. If you don't need the 45 megapixel resolution and super high-res video chops found in the R5, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II offers much of the same in terms of focusing and stabilization with a more reasonable 24.2 megapixel resolution and matching SD card memory slots. Number 2. Nikon Z6 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera Body. The well-rounded, full-frame Nikon Z6 II mirrorless camera is equipped with great still and video features. Its low-light capabilities range from minimal image noise at high ISOs and, critically, excellent low-light AF, down to 4.5 EV, one stop lower than its Z6 predecessor. That means it can focus in the moonlight, even when it's less than a full moon. As a bonus, the Nikon Z6 II is equipped with a special low-light autofocus mode that takes its capabilities an additional 2 stops, providing a good balance between minimal levels of image noise and effective autofocus in very low light. The Sony A7S is another solid option, especially if you shoot a lot of video or you don't need a ton of megapixels. The 12 megapixel resolution seems paltry to many still photographers, but that low resolution comes with extremely clean high ISO images. Number 3. Fujifilm X-T5 Mirrorless Digital Camera. The Fujifilm X-T5 is a truly fantastic camera. In fact, one of our editors calls it one of the most enjoyable cameras he's ever used. It offers lots of tactile controls, including an ISO dial and physical switch for shutter drive modes. These keep you from digging into menus nearly as often as other cameras. The body feels like a small SLR, including a physical dial for shutter speed, which makes the camera feel like an analog one. Fujifilm built the camera around a high-resolution 40.2 megapixel sensor that does a great job of grabbing lots of detail from a scene. It comes with Fujifilm's excellent film simulation modes, which could save you time when it comes to throwing it up on a monitor and editing. And the autofocus is responsive and accurate. While the camera is primarily for still shooters, there are plenty of impressive features for video creators. Number 4. Sony Alpha 7C Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Size and weight matter when you're holding a camera pointed at yourself all day long, and Sony's A7C is one of the most compact full-frame mirrorless cameras on the market. It has everything a vlogger needs, including 4K capture, a screen that flips forward so you can monitor your shot in real time, and a microphone jack for accessories. It also offers advanced autofocus that keeps you or your subject in focus without much fuss on your end. The small, rectangular form factor makes attaching gimbals and other filmmaking equipment easy. That comes in handy when you're trying to maximize your production value and have viewers slamming those like and subscribe buttons on YouTube. There isn't an electronic viewfinder, which makes it a bit harder to use in bright sunlight, but the video is rarely shot while looking through a viewfinder anyway. Number 5. Sony Alpha 1 Mirrorless Camera. The Sony A1 is a camera built for those who want serious performance from their camera. The specs are impressive across the board. It offers a 50.1 megapixel sensor with a stacked back illuminated design and integrated memory. That sensor allows for 15 stops of dynamic range and the ability to capture tons of detail from a scene. It also handles noise extremely well, so you can get away with higher ISOs. One area that the A1 really shines is burst shooting. It's capable of up to 30 full-sized RAW frames per second with the electronic shutter. That's faster than just about everything available at that quality. The A1's electronic sensor is able to read out at a whopping 1/260th second, which allows you to sync a flash at up to 1/200th second. And, with the mechanical shutter, you can sync flash up to 1/400th second without relying on a high-speed sync. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.